Well, hello, Hampton Roads, and welcome to another episode of the Hampton Roads Gardener. I am Galen Callahan, and I am the Horticulture Extension Agent with Virginia Cooperative Extension in the city of Hampton. And today, we're talking about winter vegetable gardening. Now, I know temperatures in the upper 30s and 40s may not seem appealing to you, but it is the perfect time of the year for winter vegetable gardening. I've been gardening during the winter for the past 5 years now, and it can be one of the best times in the garden, especially if you're a lover of brassicas like broccoli and collard greens, or leafy vegetables such as spinach and lettuce. You can also grow herbs such as cilantro and parsley, and rooting crops such as carrots and beets as well. But on the positive side, there are lower pest pressures, you don't have to water as much compared to summer, and the sun isn't beating down on you. However, you do have to go in with the mindset that this is a season of slow growth, and it may take an extra month or two until you see a good harvest size on your plant. So for example, right now it's early November, and if you plant a broccoli transplant, you may not see a full-size head until March. So we're talking about 5 months for something that typically takes 3 months to harvest during the spring or fall. So you have to have patience. You also have to watch for frost and freezing temperatures more often. Some plants like spinach or collard greens can take multiple frosts, whereas lettuce might be able to cope with light freeze, but it's definitely not going to handle frosts over and over and over again. You can protect your cool season crops from the elements with season extension structures, including cold frames and low tunnels, or you can use materials such as frost cloth. Cold frames and low tunnels work to capture heat from the sun during the day to create a slightly warmer microclimate inside the structure, while frost cloth works to keep the frost off of your plants, and it also provides a little temperature buffer. Now, those are the highlights that I have for this short video segment, but if you have questions, feel free to reach out to your local extension office to find out more on winter vegetable gardening, especially if you're watching from outside of Hampton Roads. There are plenty of more cool season vegetables and herbs that do well in the winter, so don't feel restricted to lettuce and cilantro. That's just what I'm prioritizing this year. And that's it. And that's all that I have for you on winter vegetable gardening. And until next time, happy gardening.